Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everyone, checking in on gold. So we got a very bullish break above the high from the Brexit move of 1362s. Very nice continuation. We made it all the way up to 1377.50. But look at this upper wick of profit taking. And judging by when the day closed here, it even looks a little bit more bullish if you look at investing.com, which is still trading. You've got a inverted hammer or gravestone doji, which is a bearish reversal candlestick at the top of the uptrend. So gold, we're looking for some consolidation to occur. And because of that, we're looking at some other names here. And let's look at the weekly as well here for gold. Let's zoom out and see the RSI. That's what I'm interested in here. RSI topped out at 70 right on the dot on the move in March, that big breakout before consolidating. Look where the RSI is right now, right at 70. Bearish reversal daily candlestick. If we see consolidation the next 2 days, we're going to see a bearish reversal candlestick form on the weekly time frame as well. We opened at 1344. So if we close anywhere, let's say 1355 or lower, it will be a very clear weekly bearish reversal candlestick and rejecting from 70. Now you might be seeing this and saying, so what? It's 70 RSI. That's not going to cause the price to go down. The number one thing I want to point out, along with these 5 extremely bullish weeks, zoom out. When's the last time the RSI on the weekly time frame was above 70? Your answer is 2011. So 5.5 years, like 4.5, 5 years, when the RSI on the weekly time frame has been unable to break 70. So just want to keep that in mind. If you are bullish, you still don't have to have signals here that you're getting out. The daily time frame, you're certainly aware of that bearish candlestick and looking for some weakness tomorrow. But bullish entries at this point are not wise, is my point here. So risk to reward for bullish entries up here, not smart. We need to consolidate. RSI is overbought. RSI on the daily here is the highest we've seen since back in February, and that weekly RSI, again, 70 is a key level. So that's what we're looking at here. There's all kinds of different shorter term time frames we can look at. We've got some downtrend resistance lines here on the 5-minute we're keeping an eye on. And if you zoom out to the hourly, the overall trend certainly still bullish with higher lows and higher highs. It would have to take a move and a break of this level down here of 1340 to really see a significant pullback that would have the bulls a little bit worried. But as of right now, still just normal healthy consolidation. Looking at key support of 1361.50. That was the low that we have hit over this pullback here. And we have now set a lower low compared to where we established this support at 1366.50 before hitting that high on this bounce. So again, overall trend is bullish, no doubt about it. Just looking for some short-term pullback and potentially lasting a couple weeks. The next 2 days will be very telling. The shape of the candlestick on the weekly time frame will give us a clue as to what to expect for the rest of July, essentially. So I am scouting dust. I actually did make a bullish entry in dust today at 365 on the reaction to those Fed minutes. I like that bottom fishing play. I got in at 360 or make that 565, and I put my stop loss right below the low of the day. Just 1,000 common shares building a starter position, and if the low of the day broke, I would lose $30. Very little risk. And saw a nice move off of that level up to the 590s, but did not see the bulls hold that level. Lower Bollinger Band resistance here needs to become support, and we need a solid bullish reversal candlestick. We can see 5 gap downs in a row, so we are certainly due for a bounce. RSI is oversold. The hourly RSI is oversold. So I'm still in my position just because I placed my stop loss at break even and it did not trigger. And I would not be in that position seeing how this candlestick shaped up otherwise. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. Need a bullish reversal candlestick above the lower Bollinger Band. It's time to start scouting for these gold names to pull back. Look at gold. 5 gap ups in a row. Bearish reversal spinning top here on the daily time frame. RSI at 83. Due for consolidation. Liking gold, the stock here, for a potential short. The upper Bollinger Band will act as support. If we lose that upper Bollinger Band, that makes consolidation way more likely. So we'll check back in tomorrow, keeping an eye on dust, not getting the clear bullish signals we want yet. We got some intraday signals, but they did not carry over to hold up on the daily time frame. We'll check back in. Have a great night.